Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to crop in Capcut. So first you just have to import that video that you want to crop or resize here and then drag that video here in order for you to start to edit. So this is what it looks like. Now there are ways here, different ways in how to crop this video. First you just have to click and then go to this area and you should see this crop or resize option right here, and all you have to do is to click that one. So this is what it looks like. Now you can see this crop width. Actually, you can just simply crop this with just moving this circles and these points right here. But you can also go to this part. You see the crop ratio. Look for the specific ratio that you want. Okay. You can also do this rotation. So let's just say you want to post it on TikTok. So you have to click this 916. Okay, place it to wherever you want. And then after that, click confirm. That's it. So this is what it looks like. Or you could also probably go to this part right here. But with this ratio option right here, you cannot really crop the video, but you can crop the project. You can change the project's ratio, but not the video itself. So the best way to crop a video here is you just have to simply go to resize and then select that size or crop ratio that you want. So basically, that's how you simply crop a video here in CapCut. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.